Hi, everybody. I'm Jennifer Smith. In this podcast, I'll talk about how you can make a Ikaria juice recipe at home and the benefits of the recipe. If you find it a hassle to prepare the juice or face difficulties in gathering ingredients, you have the option to purchase a Ikaria juice powder. It's a completely organic and genuine product. For a limited time, you can get a 75% discount by clicking the link in the video description below. If the link doesn't work, simply copy and paste the link into your browser, then press enter. The discount will be automatically applied. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into today's topics. How to reduce face fat naturally. The science behind facial fat reduction. Understanding the biology of facial fat is crucial. Explore the factors contributing to facial fullness and learn how to target them effectively. Hydration and its impact on facial fat. Unveil the role of proper hydration in reducing facial bloating. Discover the connection between water intake and a leaner, more defined face. Incorporating cardiovascular exercises. Dive into the world of cardio workouts and their impact on overall fat reduction, including specific exercises that target facial muscles. The role of facial exercises. Explore facial exercises tailored to tone and strengthen facial muscles. Learn how incorporating these exercises into your routine can contribute to a more sculpted appearance. Balanced nutrition for facial fat loss. Delve into a well-balanced diet that supports facial fat reduction. Discover nutrient-rich foods and dietary tips that contribute to a slimmer face. Effective stress management techniques. Uncover the link between stress and facial fat retention. Explore relaxation techniques and stress management strategies for a healthier, more radiant complexion. Quality sleep for facial rejuvenation. Explore the importance of quality sleep in reducing overall body fat, including its positive impact on facial fat loss. Discover tips for improving your sleep routine. FAQs. Can spot reduction work for face fat? Spot reduction is challenging, but targeted exercises and a healthy lifestyle can contribute to facial fat loss over time. How soon can I see results? Results vary, but consistent efforts in exercise, diet, and hydration may show noticeable changes in a few weeks. Are facial massages effective? Facial massages can improve blood circulation and muscle tone, contributing to a more sculpted appearance over time. Is weight loss necessary for face fat reduction? Weight loss can influence facial fat, but specific facial exercises and a balanced diet are equally crucial for targeted results. Can genetics affect facial fat? Genetics play a role, but lifestyle factors and targeted efforts can still contribute to a more defined face. Any quick fixes for face fat? While there's no instant fix, staying hydrated, exercising, and following a balanced diet can provide noticeable improvements. Conclusion. Embarking on the journey to reduce face fat naturally requires commitment and a multifaceted approach. By combining targeted exercises, a balanced diet, and lifestyle adjustments, you can achieve a slimmer, more sculpted facial appearance. Embrace these holistic strategies for long-lasting results and a healthier, more confident you.